it was really not necessary for Vuyokazi to waste her money. Hi, Nkosi yami. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. Vuyokazi decided to be the bigger person and apologize to Sneh. Even went on to bought something and give it to Sneh. So anyway, guys, we all know that the shandy between Vuyokazi and Sneh, it started by Sneh when she decided to interfere herself in Mpumelelo and Vuyokazi's drama, to a point where Abongwe decided to say, "Hi, Nkosi yami, you are asking unnecessary questions." Usne decided to stood up and cry and say that everywhere there is Abongwe, she will always cry because Abongwe, to a point where Vuyokazi stood up and apologizes to Sneh, to say, "Sneh, I'm sorry, you don't deserve this, you were concerned about me." Like, really, you were really concerned about Vuyokazi, or maybe you're just pushing your own gender. So when Sneh was talking to Vicky, who is a Vuyokazi's friend, she mentioned that she do understand that Mpumelelo needs to take a vision, because she understands that Mpumelelo needs someone who has never been with a man. What about Vuyokazi? So Sneh is this type of a sister-in-law that you cannot trust. She was busy laughing with Terelo and end up crying because of Abong. It can show that, guys, this is the type of a person you cannot try. One thing about Sneh, she will always play as a victim. She will always say that her siblings are more educated than her, they don't respect. But you can see this is the type of a person that even when you are not here, she will never protect you. I've never seen her. Yes, she was saying she was concerned about Vuyokazi, but when she was with Vicky and Mpumelelo, she was taking his side, Mpumelelo, saying that I do understand. But when she was talking to Vuyokazi, she say that as a woman, she does understand that it's not easy to leave a man that you love, or yes, Mpumelelo, whatever. But when she's with Mpumelelo and Vicky, it's a way around. So you can just tell that Usne really, she's just taking a side where she feels like whenever you are here, she will take your side. If you are far, she will take her side. No wonder why even Uterele, she's so comfortable to talk about Vuyokazi with Sneh. Now you understand their relationship. So if you have a sister-in-law like Sneh, just know that even if you go to her and say, "Yes, this is what your brother-in-law did to me," she was like, "Nkosi yami wesisengizwelana nawe." When you leave, she will call the brother and say, "Hayibo, umfazi wakho uzalana uzongitshela ukuthi wena uyamchitela, akakwazi ukuthi indoda nendoda iyachita." This is a type of sister-in-law South African are facing. A lot of people here a lot of people here in South Africa are facing, because how do you even trust your sister-in-laws? Because those people, you don't even have to trust them, because whatever happened, they will always protect their own brother. But anyway, guys, what I'm trying to say is that Usne really, she likes to play a victim. The person who really needed apology, it was a Vuyokazi. Maybe Usne could have just said, "Vuyokazi, I'm really sorry for interfering in your business. I do understand you ahead as a woman to woman. I do understand that, yes, leaving your man." But she did not even say that. All she said that, yes, she understands Mpumelelo has to do this, yeah, whatever it is. Anyway, guys, yes, it is what it is, guys. So Vuyokazi, well, as being a nice person, it's also you'll get blessings. So whatever Vuyokazi did to Sneh, I mean, it's not that big deal anyway. Maybe she had the money to buy that thing and give it to Sneh. Maybe she saw that it was important for her. Maybe she's a gift person. Some people believes that, you know what, in order for them, some people, they believe in gifting when they apologize. So I mean, she's very, it shows that Vuyokazi, you know, but there's this side of her that she's really not that bad as we think. Anyway, guys, tell me a conversation. What do you think? Do you think it was necessary for Vuyokazi to apologize? So also, or Sneh needed to apologize to Vuyokazi? Who was wrong here? Who is the guys? Anyway, guys, do not forget